Hello, good morning sa mga taga Bacolod, kag mga taga Negros Occidental na gusto mag-avail sa duta lot only diri mismo sa Parkville, Bacolod City. Ang Parkville by SMDC is located at Santa Fe or Burgos Avenue Street, Santa Fe. Nabalaan nyo ba ang Old Santa Fe Resorts? Amo ni siya ang Parkville. Ari diri ginbakal na ini sang SMDC ang Old Santa Fe Resorts. Pero ang Santa Fe Resorts i-develop na siya, i-improvise pagid na siya. Ang nami lang niya sang Parkville ay ano siya, resorts style na subdivision. Affordable, may ara kita minimum na 120 square meter lot only. For only 14,000 per month. That's why avail na mo. Pertigit kayo nit subong. Dasag lang ni siya nga vlog ko sa inyo. Sa mga interested na mag-avail sang Parkville diri sa Bacolod City, PM na kamo sa akon, contact na kamo or gina-invite na kamo sa amon nga office. We will talk about Parkville. Alright? Maraming salamat.
Immerse yourself in the beauty of nature at Parkville, SMBC's first lot-only and pet-friendly project set in a serene neighborhood in Bacolod City. Designed with relaxing amenities and 8 thematic nature parks, this newest community lets you experience the ideal urban living retreat. Discover the new residential LOT here in Bacolod City. A prime area location with a great amenities. Very accessible to all super malls, markets, and establishments, Bacolod City's newest integrated lifestyle community, where nature and modern living coexist in perfect harmony, complemented by premium amenities and modern convenience, all at affordable prices, ensuring a truly enriching living experience. 25,000 pesos reservation only. PY as low as 14,000 pesos for 36 months or 18,000 pesos for 28 months. Pay now while it's pre-selling. Limited lots only. Message me for more details.